Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door closure cam in the Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, you're going to need a 3/16-inch Allen wrench and a 5/16-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door closure cam. This door closure cam is mounted at the bottom of the fresh food door. The door interacts with the hinge cam, allowing for the door to close properly. If the door is not closing and sealing properly, causing the fridge to run longer, leaving moisture on the interior of the fresh food section, check and replace the door closure cam if needed. So we are here on the top of the fridge, and before we're going to remove the hinge, I'm going to secure the door with this piece of duct tape, just to make sure it won't go anywhere. To remove the upper door hinge, we need to take out these two screws. I'm using a 3/16 Allen wrench. And all right, we're gonna take them out. And now I'm gonna lift off the hinge. And now I'm gonna peel the tape off and make sure the door is not going anywhere. Now I'm gonna take off the door and open it slightly, support it, and lift off the bottom hinge. And I'm going to place it on the ground this way. I definitely recommend you to empty these old door beams. So that's the part we're going to replace. I'm going to use a 5/16-inch nut driver to remove this single screw that holds the old part in. And one more 5/16 screw will have to come out. That one is holding the door stop, and the door stop is holding the cam. Hold on, the whole assembly. Remove the screw, and I'm going to take off that. Alright, so I'm gonna slide out the cam. This is the old door closure cam next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to install the new cam into this door stop. And I'm going to place everything in. And secure it with a couple of screws. First, we're going to install the one at the bottom that holds the door stop, and then the one that holds the cam itself. Now we can lift the door off and install it onto the bottom hinge. Make sure it stays in place. All right, so we're back to the top of the fridge, and we're going to secure the door again. Remember, we need to hold on to the door all the time so it wouldn't go down. And now we're going to place the upper hinge back on, and going to align the holes. Need to push the door a little bit up. Place those two screws and tight manually a little bit. And we're going to continue with this 3/16 Allen wrench. Gonna tighten them. And now I'm gonna remove the duct tape. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.